Mastering School Tasks, Navigating Classes and Lectures. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving into the world of school tasks. Specifically, we will be focusing on the essential routine of attending classes and lectures. This can range from understanding teacher instructions, participating in class discussions, to taking effective notes. Your teacher will give you a lot of instructions during your classes. They may ask you to read a passage out loud, work in pairs on an assignment, or write an essay about a particular topic. These commands are crucial for your learning, and misunderstanding them can lead to mistakes. Let's practice some common phrases. Can you please repeat that? I didn't quite catch that. Could you please explain it again? Would you mind elaborating on this point? Active participation in class discussions not only helps your understanding but also makes learning more fun. This might involve expressing your opinion, agreeing, or disagreeing with your classmates' points of view. Here are some expressions to help you. I think, in my opinion, I agree with, I disagree because. Remember, it's okay to disagree with someone's viewpoint, but always be respectful and polite in your responses. Note-taking is a vital skill when attending classes and lectures. It helps you to remember the key points and study for exams later. Here's how you can phrase your notes. The main point of today's lecture is, the teacher emphasized on. An important fact to remember is, also, remember to organize your notes in a way that's easy for you to understand. You can use bullets, numbers, or diagrams. Whatever works best for you. And there you have it. Attending classes and lectures might seem daunting at first, but with the right phrases and skills, you'll navigate through it with ease. We hope this video helps you feel more confident and prepared for your school tasks. See you in the next lesson, and until then, keep practicing and happy learning.